Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're doing another spring look. It's basically the beautiful soft blush pink with a bit of a brighter pink in the middle to make it pop. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do not forget to hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. For this quick makeup look, I'm using the Forever Flawless Flamboyance eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution, London. That is a mouthful. For the first color that we're going to use, it's this one that you see here called Impress. And we're going to be using two different brushes. So for the first brush, we're going to be using a small, rounded, fluffy brush to apply this to the outer V, or outer corner of our eyes. Quickly want to jump in here and say thanks again for tuning in. So welcome or welcome back. If you have any questions on the look, eyeshadow palette, or any other products, any other videos, please do not hesitate to comment that down below and I'll be sure to respond. The next brush that we're going to be using is a small flat brush to apply this to the inner corner of our eyes. Yes, leaving a gap in the middle. It's okay if the gap in the middle is not as wide as you would like it to be, because either way, all these colors need to blend together anyways. For our second color, we're going to be using this one that you see here. It's called Plume. It's a beautiful light pink, and we're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this to the center part of the eyelid. Next step, you already know, blend, blend, blend. Blending is key. I say that in every video. Please blend the colors out. Mix them or blend them well together, and then also I blend a bit on the top part of the application of like where the crease is, just so that there's not necessarily a harsh line. Last but not least, we're going to be using the same color Plume, also a small flat brush, and we're the same small flat brush, and we're using the tip of the brush to apply this to the lower lash line. Yes, I used just the color Plume to apply it all over the lower lash line. And this is it, ladies and gentlemen. Quick and easy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Do not forget to hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.